Ethan. Hi.
This is it. I mean, it's not much, but it's not much. Could be worse. There's heat and light and a couch with a TV, so what's mine is yours.
You want to watch TV?
The best kind of one can share. But why here? Why now? Why not later? Why not now?
Aaron boy, look at Mama.
Talk, talk, talk.
He talk.
I don't care if he looks at me. I just
He
want him to talk.
bird. Doo doo.
Good job, Abby.
Morning, little chef. Rising
Good
sun.
morning. Hi there, buddy. Yeah. Oh.
I knew this would happen. I let him right into my
Yeah.
What's mine is his. Hey, it's gone. Stupid. He's stolen
Well, you're watching Ratatouille, aren't you?
That's what I did for trusting
You watching Ratatouille? Oh, love, love.
Hey, is that for me?
Very nice, Abby.
He
Thank
loves
you.
Huggies, doesn't he?
Yes, he loves hugs.
I
Lots of
call him
hugs.
Huggies
You call him Huggies.
because he likes them when I say Huggies.
He does, huh?
He's the
Where'd you get that?
big
Look,
boy.
it's delicious, but don't steal. I'll buy some spices, okay? Now we're gonna be late and on the first day.
Aaron is 10 weeks, which he weighed 15 and a half pounds on Monday a week ago. He is 25 and a half inches long. And 97th percentile, Big Sneezer, bless you, for height and weight. Yeah. Our big bundle of love. Hi, Booze. We're doing a video.
He loves me.
Of course he does. You
He
betcha.
loves to lay down by me.
Uh-huh.
Look, I know it's stupid and weird, but